Comfort Pictures. Lazy Stated Production. Subtitle title here.
Bad English Studio. Да.
Presents.
Warning! Spoiler! This video is about Gary Hecker, Foley artist.
Hi, I'm Gary Hecker.
Whoa. Firstly, we need to call an expert to explain you who the Foley artist is.
For you that are not familiar, Foley artists create all of the sounds that you hear on the show, unless it's like dialogue or music. But anything else, that's the tape man.
Hi, I'm Gary Hecker, supervising Foley artist here at Sony Pictures Entertainment in Culver City, California. I've been at the craft of Foley for 30 years now. I started at a very young age, designing this craft, figuring out the craft, learning about sound. This is my crew here at Sony. This is Rick Owens, my right-hand man out on the stage.
Wait, what is it, Rico? It's a book, it's a film, it's a play. First word sounds like what starts with
One of the first films that lifted up Gary's career was Empire Strikes Back. That really motivated him and he decided to do it for his career. He was working on more than 300 films. They also do sound for video games and all that you can imagine.
Players are playing the game, they will associate that sound with those characters.
Gary, with his team, was nominated 22 times and won 5 awards.
Spider-Man films here, 1, 2, and 3. There's another one coming out we're going to be doing. From the director Quentin Tarantino, Hateful Eight. From Zack Snyder, film 300. War of the Worlds. This is from Steven Spielberg. This was nominated for an Oscar for Best Sound. Peter Weir's Master and Commander with Russell Crowe. This actually won the Oscar for Best Sound, so we provided the Foley for that on this stage here. And then, of course, The Hunger Games.
And our special today's rubric FAQ, frequently googled questions with Gary Hecker. How to make Superman walking sound? How to make Superman falling on ground and then fly to the sky through snow sound? How to make weird liquid freezing white people sound?
The mixer's going to pitch me down and make this liquid sound thicker. Here's water, the crackling, and then my voice.
How to make guy gets off horse and walks around and takes sword sound? How to make horse running, then not running, and then running again sound? How to make metal things on running horse sound? How to make breathing like horse and then like homeless, then like horse again sound? How to make horse running, then not running, and then running again with some metal and breathing like a horse, then like homeless, then like horse again sound? How to make car drops out of the plane in a snowy and windy place sound? how to make Spiderman web sound. So in total, this guy is an amazing person who creates a sound out of scratch. Gary Hacker is great professional with great experience. Ton of movies, a lot of awards, and million people who don't even know that this profession exists.
Sometimes, yeah, it does get a little lonely. You know, it's basically just me hanging out with I, but I don't mind. You know, it's kind of hard for Mark Table to find someone who really gets me.
Thank you for your attention. Thank you. Remember, this is very interesting and hard job. Thank you, Gary, and thank you, Mark. Welcome.